Let's get started. Navigate to our website, www.busconduct.com, in your favorite browser. We recommend Chrome, Firefox, or the Edge browser for best results. Next, click on the login link at the top of the page. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and log in as a driver. If there are any important messages, they'll appear here on the right. If you forget your username or password, there are recovery links here. And as a driver, I'm seeing any referrals that I've created that the school's responded to. So this one has been responded to and it's waiting for me to review it. I can create a new referral either here or on the referrals tab. The referrals tab shows me all my referrals. So I see the one that's waiting for me to review that's complete. I have one that's been referred to the school but has not yet been responded to. And I have one that's unapproved. It's waiting for the transportation department to review and approve. Let's go ahead and create a new referral. And there are a number of different ways BusConduct can work. Some districts don't have this list. You have to actually enter the referral number. And if there's been a previous referral for that number, as soon as you tab out of that box, it'll fill in the rest of the information. Most of our districts at this point are using an importing student list. And if you do that, then all you need to do is start typing the student's name. The system will respond with all of the students whose first name begins with James. And you can just type J and see all of the J's. Let's go ahead and create a referral for James Polk. When I do, you can see it automatically fills this information in so we know it's right. The student identification number is right. The name, the school, the grade, all of that is correct. It's automatically filling in information about the provider and the driver. So the first thing I need to enter is my route number or bus number. Next, I have to pick the referral type. There are at least two types of referrals for most districts. You can have a conduct referral. That's typically what you think of as a bus referral. The student did something wrong and there's going to be some corrective action. It's things like theft, vandalism, fighting, not staying in your seat. There's also incidents, and incidents are non-disciplinary items that you want to track. So maybe things like an injury on the bus, or a parent not being available to meet a kindergartner or a special needs student. And you want to keep track of how many times that's happened this year, how many times you had to return the student to the school. You would use an incident to keep track of that. Let's switch back to conduct. And now we get our conduct reasons. You want to pick the most important reason first. So in this case, I'm going to have a write-up for vandalism. But when I talked to the student, he was also disrespectful. So I'm going to pick that as a secondary referral type. You can pick up to 5. Next, I'm going to pick the time of day. Let's say this happened on the PM route. This is the incident date. And so if I'm actually recording something that happened yesterday, I can change that date. Let's say it was Friday of last week. I can go ahead and make that modification. Then I have 2 explanation boxes. The first one lets me type in what happened, a description of the incident that took place. You wouldn't want to include another student's name here or some detail that the parent shouldn't see because this is going to appear on a parent report. So we can type whatever we want, and the box will grow to be as big as it needs to be to accommodate the text that you enter. If there is another student involved, we can write whatever we want here. This is just private for the school and the transportation department. Again, the box will grow to accommodate whatever you type. That's all there is to creating a referral, and we just go down and press save and close. If your district chooses to, they can add their own questions and answers below the data privacy information. And so in my demo district here, I have a question, where did the incident take place? And it's a drop-down list. So you may see all different sorts of things here. If your district has created questions, then go ahead and fill them out. This is an example of a checkbox group. If you have on-bus video and you want to link to it, or maybe there's a time of day link so that you can reference exactly when that happened, you could put that information here. So once you're done, we're going to press save and close. Actually, before I do that, just remembered I have a picture of this incident. And so I'm going to go up here and go to the Files tab. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the location. I took a snapshot with my smartphone and I uploaded it to my computer, and now I'm going to pick that image from the computer and upload it to this referral. And you can see it automatically did that. I have a gallery view here that lets me flip through the different slides so I can see exactly what the picture looked like. You can add as many as you like, and you can see it automatically increments, letting whoever's looking at this referral know there's something in the Files tab to see. So now we can go ahead and go back to the Details tab and send it on. And depending upon how your district's configured, when you press save and close, it may go directly to the school. It may go to the transportation department for review or disciplinary action. You know, it depends how your district is configured, but you just press save and close, and it takes you back to the dashboard, and you can start another new referral. Or actually, it takes you back to whatever page you were working from. If you started from the dashboard, it'll return you to the dashboard. Here we started from the referrals page, and you can see we have a new referral here that's unapproved. It's waiting for the transportation department to review. Just one quick reminder before we go, there are a few other items underneath your name. You can change your password by clicking change password, or you can see the support information. Your support person will be shown here, and you'll have a list of all of the videos you have access to. Thank you for using Conduct Suite. We appreciate your business. We hope you find our products to be an invaluable aid in your daily quest to provide safe and efficient student transportation. Help us keep our prices low by sharing your experience with colleagues in other districts. Thank you in advance.